Welcome to our news updates. According to a report by Newsweek on June 29, 2024, former President Donald Trump's declaration of a big win following a recent Supreme Court ruling has sparked significant controversy. Legal experts have highlighted a critical detail about its influence on his January 6 case. The Supreme Court's ruling narrows the scope of a federal obstruction charge, causing concern within the legal community and raising questions about its effects on numerous January 6 riot prosecutions. In a 6-3 decision that crossed ideological boundaries, the Supreme Court ruled that the obstruction charge must specifically involve document or record tampering. This decision has brought into question the cases of over 350 individuals charged with obstructing Congress during the certification of the 2020 presidential election results. Trump, currently dealing with his own legal challenges related to the January 6 events, quickly claimed victory on social media. This sparked outrage among his critics and confusion among legal observers. However, former White House counsel John Dean downplayed Trump's celebratory remarks, stating it is very unlikely he's going to get it dismissed. Dean emphasized that the ruling's impact has been overread and overplayed in the media. He suggested that a closer examination reveals its limited scope. Dean noted that special counsel Jack Smith, overseeing Trump's federal election interference case, was likely aware of this potential ruling when filing the indictment. Dean expressed confidence that Smith's indictment would withstand any test, countering Trump's optimistic interpretation of the Supreme Court's decision. Barbara McQuaid, a former U.S. attorney, supported Dean's views. She explained that while the ruling might overturn some January 6 defendants' convictions, it is not likely to affect Trump's case. As we continue, please support us by clicking on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell for more updates. McQuaid pointed out that Trump's case involves allegations of fraudulent documents, such as fake slates of electors, which the court specifically mentioned as falling within the statute's scope. The Supreme Court's ruling arose from the case of Joseph Fisher, a former police officer charged for his role in the January 6 Capitol riot. Fisher's case led to the court's decision that the obstruction charge should be narrowly applied, focusing on document tampering rather than broader violent behavior. This interpretation has significant implications for the hundreds of individuals charged in connection with the Capitol breach. Trump supporters attempted to halt the certification of Joe Biden's 2020 election victory during the riot. The violent insurrection resulted in one protester's death and injuries to dozens of police officers, marking a somber day in American democracy. Trump's indictment, filed in August, includes 4 counts related to his alleged attempts to overturn the 2020 election results. These charges include conspiracy to defraud the U.S., conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding, obstruction of and attempt to obstruct an official proceeding, and conspiracy against rights. The former president has pleaded not guilty to all charges, maintaining his innocence amid mounting legal challenges. While Trump and his supporters see the Supreme Court ruling as potentially game-changing, legal experts advise caution against premature celebrations. The nuanced nature of the decision and its specific focus on document tampering suggest its impact on Trump's case may be limited. Attorney General Merrick Garland has stated that the vast majority of the 1,400-plus defendants charged in connection with the Capitol riot would not be affected by the Supreme Court's decision. This assessment underscores the complexity of the legal landscape surrounding the January 6 cases and the unique nature of Trump's situation. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.